Welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about how to access ARMOD framework for iOS native app. Jumping xcode. To save time, I'll skip the development of the basic Swift UI interface. Let's take a look at the app. The app's interface is similar to App Store, divided into recommendations and listings. The data is queried using ARMOD Dashboard REST API. Use your browser to open the link to the ARMOD Framework GitHub repository. I will put the link in the introduction below the video. This ARMOD repository holds frameworks for both iOS and Android platforms. We can download ARMOD framework via code download zip. We will unzip the ARMOD framework zip file we just downloaded. Go to iOS folder and find Unity framework.zip and extract it. You will get Unity framework.framework file. Back to xcode. We need to import the files of ARMOD framework into our xcode project. They are ARMOD communication layer.h, file and Unity framework.framework. Drag them to the specified directory. Select copy items if needed and create groups, click Finish. Since our project is in Swift and ARMOD framework is written in Objective-C, we need to create bridging header so that Swift can call Objective-C methods. Compile and test after importing. Edit the bridging header you just created and import the ARMOD framework headers. Compile and test. Drag and drop Unity framework.framework into framework, libraries, and embedded content, and set it to embed and sign mode. Add a new Swift file and name it ARMOD utitliy.swift. Initializing ARMOD requires JSON configuration for initialization. We build the configuration in Plist and convert it to JSON string at runtime. We need to create another Swift file and name it ARMOD Callback.swift. ARMOD Callback needs to inherit from UI Responser and Native Calls Protocol and implement all the methods inside Native Calls Protocol. Registration of ARMOD framework event callbacks is done by a register API for native calls method, which is used to manage all feedbacks of ARMOD, such as loading resource progress, error messages, etc. Create a new method for loading our AR experience. Since ARMOD does not provide UI, we need to implement it ourselves. Here we simply create a loading view to indicate that the user is loading content, and an AR view to close the current ARMOD and other actions. In ARMOD callback we find add loading overlay method, which means ARMOD is loading AR experience. We can add loading view and AR view inside this method. After all the preparations are done, We start to modify our app. Edit the first method in Scene Delegate. When we go to AR Experience Details and click on Play button to load ARMOD and AR Experience. Then we will edit our ARMOD view, which only provides a close button to close the current ARMOD, and we will add a response event to call the close method.